ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಪೋಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. I am Venkat. I am a mathematics teacher in Venkatadri School. Hope you all are in and fine. Dear students, we know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with schools, teachers, and lack of education. Most of the schools of the country has started online classes. You must take advantage of this opportunity. We have started online classes to continue our study. Now it is easy to make connection with you all, and this will help us to cover the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. Now this connection is not limited to the class. Now this session will be available for all with the curriculum. I recommend it to my students to practice the simple mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and tables of small and big problems and easy topics that you like. You can also inform the other students through the WhatsApp or email, but the online classes about you can inform the students through WhatsApp group or email about the online classes time on topic. I will answer your questions on WhatsApp group after the session. I welcome you all to join online classes. I hope to see you soon in class. Stay home, stay safe. Dear students, today I will teach you the mathematics. It is the branch of this is algebra. You all, I think, already studied about this algebra. And once again, we can go for this entire week. We will take the sessions of this basics of mathematics. Today, first of all, we know this is the what do you mean by this algebra? Algebra I will take in this entire 1 week. What do you mean by this algebra? Algebra is the branch of mathematics concerning the study of rules of operations, relations, constructions, and concept arising them, including terms, polynomials, equations, and algebraic structures. Now in this algebraic fundamental concept of this algebra, first we should know this. What do you mean by this constant? What is variables? What is term? And what is this algebraic expressions? You know this is constant. Constant means this value cannot be changed. Value cannot be changed. I will write this is the constant is digits from 0 to 9. Digits from 0 to 9. Numbers formed by these digits. Numbers formed by these digits we can say as the constants. We can say constants. For example, I will write this is 3, 4, 6, 17, 18. So on any number you can write, and not only for this 2 digits number or 1 digits number, you can write hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores digits numbers you can write. That should be a constant value. That is the numbers or the constant values. Now we can, second one is variables. Letters in English alphabets which can assign any value. Letters in an alphabet assigns any value. That can be assigns any value. Letters in English alphabets which can assign any value. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. That can be right. It is in the form. The examples of this is A, B, C, X, Y, Z, X plus Y minus Z. Any letter you can take, any alphabet out of 26, any alphabet you can take, that can be contained that's we can say is the variable. These variables can be, name itself is there, its value can be varies. Its value can be varies. Now the third concept is term. What do you mean by a term is, a term is a constant. A term is a constant or a variable or product or quotient of constant. Quotient of constant and variables. Term, a constant, a variable, or a product, or quotient of constant and variable. Quotient of constant and variable. Examples is 3 into x is there, 3 into x is there here. This is this 3 into x, that gives to 3x. Here we can see this is 3 is the constant and x is the variable. X is the variable. Now this is 4 by y. 4 by y is there. This is 4 is the constant and y is variable. Now we can say this is 4 minus y is there. 4 minus y, 4 divided by xy, 5x divided by 8 is there. These are all the examples of term. Now you come for algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions, a collection or one or more terms. A collection of one or more terms that can be separated by plus or minus sign. That can be separated by a minus sign. Here this is algebraic expression, a collection of one or more terms separated by plus or minus sign. Examples is x plus y minus z, xy plus z, xy by z plus 3. These are the examples of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Dear students, just once again you can read this and write it in our notebook. Just what do you mean by this constant, variable, term, algebraic expression? This constant is the digits. Constants is the digits that can be numbers or formed by 0 to 9. 0 to 9. And variables, letters in English alphabets which can assign any value. It can assign any value. That is, examples is a, b, c, x, y, z, x plus y minus z. Then this is next one is the term, a constant, a variable, or a product. A constant, a variable, or a product, or quotient of constant and variable. Quotient of constant on variable, that is called as the term. Yeah, this is 3 into x gives rise to 3x. 3x is the term, and 4 minus y, 4 divided by y, 4 minus y, and 4 divided by xy, 5xy minus 5xy by 8. These are the examples of term. Now this is algebraic expression. Expressions means there is no equal sign. Equation means there should be an equal sign, but here only expression is there. There is no equal sign. Algebraic expression, a collection of one or more terms. A collection of one or more terms separated by plus or negative sign. Here the examples is x plus y minus z, x y plus z, xy by z plus 3. Remaining any examples you can write this is 3x by 4 minus 2 by xy. Here you can say this is this. The minus sign has separated the term. Here the minus sign is separated by the term. 3x by 4 is the term. 2 by xy is the term. That can be separated by here the minus sign. And here this is the terms are separated by positive sign. Positive sign. Next one. You can see once again this one. Just you can write possible to. You can write it on or capture it on your phone. Once again you can capture it, then you can write it on your notebook. Next is different types of algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expressions. Types of algebraic expressions. In the first one, types of algebraic expressions. The first one is monomial. Monomial. Second one is binomial. third one is trinomial, fourth one is polynomial. Polynomial. These are the types of algebraic expressions. So that is, the first one is monomial, second one is binomial, third one is trinomial, and polynomial. Polynomial. This monomials means single term. That is contains only one term. That's we can say as monomial. This is, for example, this is x, 3x by z y. Here both this, it contains only one variable should be there. Here 3x by 2 zx is there. This is also a monomial. Again, this is, you can write, this is 4x. This is also, we can say as, this is the x. Monomials means has only one term should be there. Only one term. Has only one term. Has only one term should be there in the monomial. Next, you compare binomial. Two terms. Has it contains two terms. For example, this is x plus yz divided by 3, y minus 4 divided by 4x divided by z. Like this. These are the examples. We can say as, this is one more example for this one, 3a plus 5x divided by 4. Like this. These are the examples of binomial has two terms, monomial has only one term. Then you compare trinomials. Trinomials means, tri means 3. There should be contains 3 terms. It contains 3 terms. This I will write this examples of this trinomial is a square plus b plus c. Here you can say this is 3 terms are there. A square, you can leave this degree or power, you can leave it. This is a square plus b plus c. This is a square is that, this we can say the a square is, we can say, that will come afterwards. This is a square is the degree or power, we can say. This is a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. This is 3 terms should be contains. This contains 3 terms. Now one more example for this one. This is x cube minus 4y square minus plus 5z. You say this here, this is x cube minus 4y square plus 5z. X cube minus 4y square plus 5z. This it contains 3 terms. This is x, y and z. Dear student, this is the types of algebraic expressions. First one I think you already studied before itself. Once again I will recalling you. Yeah, this is monomial, means has only one term. Binomial means has 2 terms. Trinomial has 3 terms. And polynomials means many terms. This polynomial has 2 or more terms. 2 or more terms. That's we can say as polynomial. And this polynomial, both this binomial and trinomial are the examples of polynomial. Examples of this polynomial is x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube minus 4x square plus z. Like this. These are polynomial. It contains 2 or more terms. All these binomials and trinomials are the examples of polynomials. Dear students, all these subjects including mathematics, Kannada, English, science, social and Hindi, we have provided a timetable for all of you. Just 5 minutes early, you can take your mobiles, switch on the data. You can on the data, then you can open your Google Cloud meeting or Zoom meeting. Then we will provide you one password for this one. Directly you can click that password, then you can watch our videos on your classwork. We can know this, who are observing or we are listening this lessons. We can take an attendance on the online. Any queries about doubts, just please WhatsApp me on a group, or separately you can ask a questions for this one. And once again, I will welcome you all to join online classes. I hope to see you soon in classes. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.